Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to remove apps from Wishlist in Google Play Store. First thing you do is open up your Google Play Store and then you tap on the profile icon at the top right corner, tap on library. From the settings menu, now you have wishlist and books. Tap on wishlist. Let's say I want to remove this chili show videos for chili. All you have to do is press down on it and give this option for remove from wishlist, and you tap on remove from wishlist and it is gone. It is as simple as that. You can remove them one after the other. You cannot delete all at once. So it's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful on how to remove apps from wishlist on Google Play Store. In Google Play Store. Hope you found it helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips and tricks like this, which we put up every day. Thank you so much for watching.